So how are you doing? Those things?
I'm fine. I miss my baby.
Your baby? Well, you know, it's been like 3 days now, right? I'm afraid your baby's with you.
If you would have killed me, you would have done it by now. Just let me go, please.
Kill you? I ain't gonna kill you. I brought you up here for a reason.
What? Oh, mister, please just let me go. I promise I won't tell the cops.
Oh. My pizza rolls is done.